Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Honor. Firstly, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck. Then get this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Then, as you can see, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!